Today we're going to be taking a look at the Tobacco Motorwear Rough Ups Armored Motorcycle Gloves in the Darksides color. I just want to say this is not a sponsored video. I paid for these gloves, and so my opinions and thoughts expressed are in no way influenced by the Tobacco Motorwear company. All right, let's get to it. Packaging, who cares? They're gloves. Let's get this out of the way. All right, this little clip. Okay. Okay, at first glance, they appear to be made very well. The Darksides colorway is kind of a very dark brown, almost like a dark chocolate color. Obviously, you have the reinforced Knox knuckles. This is going to be more of a suede leather, and it's in a more traditional brown. Still dark, but obviously you can see there. I do like the fact that they're perforated. That should help with a little bit of ventilation and airflow during the hot summer months. You do have the suede leather down here on the palm as well, and it looks like you do have the pads to be able to operate your phone touchscreen on both the thumb and the index finger on both gloves. So that's a nice touch as well. Let's talk sizing. So according to the Tobacco Motorwear size chart on their website, I would be a size XL, as the circumference of my hand right here is almost exactly 9.5 inches, and the length of my middle finger from tip to just below here where the knuckle is right at about 3 3/4 inches, which lines up perfectly to the XL. However, every motorcycle glove that I have purchased in the past, I've always, with similar, I should say, they have similar size charts. I've always ordered an XXL. I do like to have a little bit of room to move around in the gloves, but not have them loose. So I went ahead and I ordered the XXL in these gloves as well. So let's see how they fit. All right, immediately upon putting them on, this is literally right up against the webbing of my fingers, and my middle finger is right at the tip, exactly where it should be. Now, I will say the pinky finger, perhaps this is just my hands, does have a little bit of, as you can see there, there's a little extra leather there. Not a big deal, but every other finger is right at the end. The thumb has about 1/8 of an inch. Actually, I take that back. I just needed to pull it on. So the pinky's still a tiny bit extra. Every other finger, 100% perfect fit. Even the knuckles, the Knox hard shell, I cannot feel it. It's very comfortable. These feel incredible, especially given the fact that they're brand new and they haven't even been broken in yet. I would imagine that they're going to be even more comfortable over time once they've had an opportunity to break in. It seems that they've taken extra care to the stitching. I know a lot of gloves that I've had in the past have fallen apart where it matters most, right here on the fingers where they stitch it together. These appear to have very good stitching, doubling up at times even. All in all, I'd have to say I'm pretty happy with my purchase. Only time will tell, of course, once I get out and I have put some miles on them, but from a first impression, they seem built incredibly well. I like the color. They do come in another color, the Sunny Sides, which is more of a camel or tobacco color, for those of you that would prefer that. I'll put a link in the description of the video to the product page from Tobacco's site. But yeah, they look like a solid option for some good riding gloves that I imagine will last a very long time, and they're definitely comfortable. So if you're in the market for some gloves, you should definitely give these a look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.